Yo guys, in this video I'm going to tell you on how you can how you can play NBA 2K25 early. So after you pre-order it, make sure that you click on the pre-install like so. uh, um, it's currently September the 4th now, and you can pre-install it. Yep, make sure that you install this first, so when the game actually gets released, you can play on it immediately. And then also remember to update your driver. Make sure that it's the newest release that supports NBA 2K25. You can get it here. AMD GPU, for me is AMD GPU. To know what your GPU is, right click on the taskbar, hit on task manager, click on performance. Mine is AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT. And then I click on the driver, hit that up, and then I click on this. Make sure that I get the newest driver, and if you're on Nvidia, you can get, for example, you have RTX 3080. Search for driver, and then click on drivers, and you have hold on, visual. I think I have to click on this one. You can get the GeForce Experience, but I don't recommend that. I usually search it manually because I don't want to install GeForce Experience. And then start search, and then just get downloaded, and it will start downloading. So that's how you can play NBA 2K25 when it get released. Don't forget to pre-download it, guys.